Breaking news coming on the broadcast right now. Prime Minister Modi has held a meeting to discuss the 12th board exams. On the 21st of May, the minister and officials had briefed him about the extensive consultations done with teachers and parents. They informed the Prime Minister about the options at hand about the exams. Well, that's the latest news break coming in right now, that Prime Minister Modi had held a meeting discussing about the board exams. He has been briefed about the current situation. The ministers and officials have briefed him extensively about the consultations. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Niranjan. Niranjan, take us through the latest meeting that we're getting right now.
Well, we're getting in full details of the Prime Minister's, discussion on the board examinations. That is on the CBSE, examinations. We were told that even before the meeting was held yesterday, the Prime Minister held a meeting to discuss the Class 12 board examination. And that the minister and officials briefed him about the extensive consultations with teachers and parents. They informed the Prime Minister about the options at hand about the exams. The Prime Minister, the Prime Minister was informed about all options. The Prime Minister, though, had a message to give out that the government has to take a decision keeping in mind the present security of children as well as their future prospects. Abhishek, gathering all the details. Let me go across to him and hand it over to him. Abhishek.
Well, Ranjan, we saw yesterday how state after state expressed uncertainty about whether they can hold the board exams. But what is important is that this would be second year in a row where students have had online education, students have not had exams. We saw, like last year, the students were promoted based on their internal exams. All those discussions. But what is important is amid the meetings over cyclone, amid meetings over pandemic, Prime Minister found time and had a meeting with the Education Ministry officialdom and the Central Board to apprise himself of what were the options available. I mean, he has given broad guidelines, as you were just explaining, in terms of what is important, what is not important, and what should be guiding the decision. Essentially, while you keep safety and security of children in mind, given the fact that all experts suggest that the third wave could be targeting those below 18 years and class 10 and class 12 students fall in that category. What is important is that exams happen to be a very important part of curricula, and it's important that that process, students go through that process and not skip it because that really adds to their preparation for many other future exams in life. So I think Prime Minister has given those broad guidelines which should be helping the officialdom take a call and make the decision. We know that after the meeting yesterday, written submissions have been sought from various states or states that participated in the meeting with the Central Board and Education Ministry yesterday, and based on which and collation of data and of course their own thinking, the Education Ministry and the Central Board of Secondary Education, they would be taking a call around 1st of June, most likely strict COVID protocols to be put in place, and perhaps like last year, class 10 would be exempted from the exams and class 12 might give some exams of important subjects like physics, chemistry and maths, which essentially form the foundation of their future studies.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for joining us on the broadcast.